Welcome back to Ultimate Play. Today we're going to be playing a game called Egg Inc. Never played this game before. In the near future, the secrets of the universe will be unlocked. The answer? Right under our noses. What? I gotta feel underneath my nose. Egg Inc. Awesome. That is running to make chickens. Try using a few fingers. Alright. I'm having the quickest I can. Oh my god. Okay, make chickens. Why is there drone now? What's this all about? Okay. Go on, chickens! Go on! Yes! Chickens! Come on, chickens! Go! Chickens! Go! Go, 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 chickens. I just hold it. Wow. Yeah, I got some chicken coops in now. Good. Let's get some more chickens out of here. Go, chickens, get into the coops. Let's go into the coop, chickens. Go on, chickens. Go fill up all those coops. Yes, go, chickens. Go, chickens, go. Chickens, they gotta fill up all the coops. Go, chickens. What is this? Go on, chickens, go. Nice, chickens. good chickens, good. Wow. All these chickens. Come on, chickens, go. It's time for some chickens to go. Go on, chickens, go. I think that's not chickens for now. Those are tons of chickens. That was full. Go on, chickens. You gotta go into the coops to fill them all up. All these chickens, go, go, go. Get into the coop, chickens. Go on, chickens, go. Wait, I can hold them while I'm doing this. And like Cooper all filled up with chickens now. Hmm. I don't know what I just bought, but okay. Right I guess this is just beginning to our chicken coop. I'm gonna be upgrading the chicken coops in the next episode. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.